When Conor McGregor visited the White House on St. Patrick's Day, he said it was high time that America was made aware of what's going on in Ireland before spreading misinformation about what's going on in Ireland. McGregor claimed Dublin has gone from being one of the safest cities in Europe to one of the most dangerous in the space of 10 years. McGregor based that claim on a viral image of two side-by-side headlines that has spread through racist circles on the internet since January. And these are real headlines. The one on the left is an Irish Examiner article from 2003, and the one on the right is a Sunday World article from 2024. The Examiner article was based on a study by an international consultancy firm. The Sunday World article was based on completely unreliable data provided by an online gambling company, which used stats from a website called Numbeo. Here's what Numbeo has to say about its own content. Quote, "There is absolutely no assurance that any statement contained on the website is correct or precise." So data from Numbeo is not a great place to start if we want to compare crime rates in different cities. In fact, it's useless.